Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and highlight this beautiful pan set that I just got sent. These are awesome because they're ceramic coated, which is helping to take out a lot of the toxins that we come across when we're cooking with different cookware. But I love this because the ceramic helps to eliminate that problem greatly. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what these pans are like. They are beautiful. They've got the really nice kind of speckled look to them with this really pretty wooden handle. The bottom, we've got this really nice cookware bottom, which just gives you the really nice quality. These are very easy to put together. The handles come separate. All you do is click them into place and you put a little screw in there. Not difficult at all. And I am loving these, for their looks. They're so pretty. I love just like the neutral tones. Really nice light colored with the light colored wood. They just look pretty. And they could go with a ton of different styles because how neutral they are, which I love. Now here's the lid, and I also love the lid because it's a glass lid with a little breathable portion right there. And then it's got the same cut, kind of like that light wooden handle top right there. Really pretty, super functional. I love it because these are actually pretty good size. So we've got a really nice large size right here, which is just really great and functional. And then we have a little bit more of like a smaller edging, but a really nice size cooking area as well. And this lid fits on both of these. So this lid is versatile between the two larger items right there. And then we've got like our little smaller boiling pot right here. And then just like a medium-sized skillet right here. So really great. Like I mentioned, I love the ceramic coating. I love that that's helping to eliminate a lot of those toxins that we encounter when we're cooking with other things. I love the color, the neutral color. I love that they each have lids that fit. These are just awesome. Now come with me and I'm going to show you what they look like in action. All right, so here we are cooking some eggs in this beautiful cookware set. You can see how nice it looks right here, and then I'm gonna show you how well this is nonstick. So this is without nonstick spray. It's doing an amazing job of allowing us to cook these eggs in a very nice way without anything burning to the bottom. I'm absolutely loving this. Like I mentioned earlier, ceramic coating, so we are getting rid of a lot of those toxins that we would naturally get with cooking with other cookware. I'm absolutely loving the look of these and also how high quality they are. So if you're on the hunt, I highly recommend checking these ones out.